Yo, Novatos, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast yet again, here with another unboxing, and probably a tool you might be interested in. Some of you guys out there are probably thinking about switching over to a mirrorless, or something out there, something maybe not as expensive as this, but maybe something that'll help you kind of give you a specific look that you're looking for. Anyways, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing on what this is. And if you guys saw the thumbnail, then you guys already know what this is. So this is from Amazon. I've been waiting some time now for it. I pre-ordered it, and I believe it was released on the 23rd, and I just got it maybe about 3 days ago. So now I'm getting around to unboxing it, and wow, there it is. Man, this looks special. Go ahead and pull this out. There is no padding in there at all, but it looks like it's in great condition. The box is beautiful, great design, just like the A7 III. You have that iconic color. That's usually what they use for their GM, their lens, their G Master lens. Of course, I have a few, and here it is, A7 IV right there on the side. E-mount 35mm full frame, mirrorless camera body. So we have some instructions, manuals, warranties. What is this? Oh, recommended memory cards. That's pretty good. I already have a few selected. 170 write speed V90s. I'll get into that probably in another video. So here we have the strap. I never use these, but there it is, A7 IV. That's neat. It's got I don't know if this is leather. I believe it is, but it smells good. And I have a Peak Design strap, so I'll probably be using that. And what do we have in here? What is this? Made in China. I thought this was made in Taiwan or Japan or something. Or maybe this is made in China. This is the USB cord, USB 3.0, USB 3 to USB-C high-speed cable. Hopefully you could actually notice it. And we have a USB. Is this like a quick charge? I don't think this is a quick. It's 5 volts. I don't know. This probably isn't a quick charge, but so far you have the charging cable, which is good, I guess, and you have the charging. Oh, and you also have a battery. This battery is their iconic. I mean, this is what they've been using, the MPFZ100. So if you have a A7 III or anything newer, like the A7 III, the A7S III, or the A7 IV-R, or one of those, or the A1, the A9, of course this will fit on all those camera bodies. And this is what I'm recording on right now. I'm recording on the A7 III, and that's what I've been using for the last, I don't know, a year or so, or something like that. Now we're going to get to the main reveal, the main showstopper. I think that's it. Nothing else in there. Oh wow, it's light. It feels light. Maybe it's because I have all the equipment on my other one. It doesn't feel that heavy. The grip itself, it's a lot. You can feel it in your hands. It's a lot more. It just stands out a little bit more. You have more grip on it. Usually with my A7 III, I'm holding it kind of like this in this awkward position because my fingers don't fit necessarily around the grip. So it's got a wider grip. I believe this is like the A7S III body that they're using, and that's the same thing with the A7, the A9. So there's the flip screen. That is beautiful. Wow, look at that. That is nice. And what else? I know there's IBIS. Doors, I believe, are different. Oh, you have a full HDMI, and you know what? I'll get into the details in another video, but so far this feels real nice. I like these extra little knobs. just something that I've noticed coming from Nikon, something that I've been used to for a long time. I've been using Nikon for the last, I think, 16 years, and recently I made the switch to Sony. So yeah, that's the unboxing. That's what's in the box. You get your USB-C cable, your brick, I guess, if you want to call it that, and you also get a battery, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. If you guys have any questions about this or anything, if you guys are out there, and you know, a lot of you guys are content creators like myself, if you guys are looking for a good option, I believe the NZ1 is a great option to start with. I believe that's what $1 Million Bogan uses. I noticed it. I saw it in the reflection in his video where he's filming with the NZ1, which recently dropped the price. I believe it's under like $700 now. It used to be over 800. So that's a great option if you want to get into this. If you want to, you know, play with this, of course. It has a 24mm to 70. That's a great focal length. Sorry, that's a great focal length. And I believe it's, man, what is it, 1.8 to 5.6, which will give you that blur, and the NC1 will also give you the blur background, or the blur background setting. So it has software in the camera to kind of do that, and you also have image stability, which is a little bit better than what you get from the A7 III and the A7 IV. It has a digital stability. But I guess, you know what, if you have the GoPro Hero 9 and the 10, I mean, the picture quality is almost there. They're almost similar because it's about the same sensor. You know what, I'm not gonna get into it. You guys just stay out there, stay safe. If you guys, you know, wanted a recommendation, I'd say if you wanted to get started with having you know, a camera and have that blurred out background, as you can see behind me, then you would look at probably the NC1, the ZV-1, sorry. Like I said, $1 Million Bogan uses that camera too. So I don't know, I'll probably do a video on that camera. So anyways, you guys just stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read, life's a risk, get out there and ride. Later.